Put a half cauliflower and eggs on the iron. Chopping a red onion. Add it to the bowl. Cut 100 grams olives in half. Or you can also leave them whole and put them in the bowl. Chop 5 small pickled cucumbers and add them to the bowl. Add 200 grams of roasted pepper. Also chop 2 boiled eggs. Add these as well. And then the boiled cauliflower. Put 2 spoons of yogurt on top of everything. 1 teaspoon mustard. Salt. Pepper. And mix well. Ready. Thank you for watching. If you liked the recipe, please share it with your friends.